Got the inner primary off. Took this thing on a quick ride. We got our cush drive. Got here next day. About to go ahead and take my bike off my truck. This thing been up here just sitting. Then I'm gonna go to the shop, get the other Road King situated, and then I'm gonna probably deliver the other one that I had there, the 06. Take that to the shop. So we got a lot of towing today. A lot of towing, so let's get it done. So it's this baby right here on the truck. Y'all haven't seen my video. Your boy popped that belt. Popped that belt off of that joint. And then I went ahead and disassembled my whole motor that day because I thought this part was leaking under the push rods, but it was actually the push rod covers. It still is right now. I checked it last night before going over it. I just seen oil sitting in the caps. So I'm gonna clean them insides out and make sure the powder coat isn't too thick or anything like that. So then once we do that, we should be good to go with no leaks. But I'm trying to debate right now, man. I want to get this chain kit so bad, but I don't have patience to be waiting. I'm trying to get this shit directly in my hand today. If I can do that, we'll be good to go. But if not, I don't know. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna figure this out, so stay tuned. So I'm about to take this to the car wash it down one more time. Then we about to hopefully hope all these damn spiders out of this shit. After that, I'm about to go ahead and offload that joint. That one up over here behind the gate. Gotta get these toys out soon, man. We gonna see though. Get this work first. All them videos I be having talking about help and all that should be needed, cause man, boys went and offloaded this joint. Kickstand came down, almost got stuck on the damn ramp. About to salvage out the whole bike. Oh, we sliding. Gotta keep it going, man. Sometimes you could be all you got at the end of the day. I picked this bike up from Montana. This bike was fresh, but I'm about to bust it down. Got baby over here looking like a joint. We're gonna get her together though. I'm gonna throw on my little headlight, bezel, wrap around all the little small stuff, man. So I can see all the work I got. I get to it when I get to it, but we sliding. About to get it in. Parts from my boy last night. Got his 21 with the rear at 17. Got the hubs, clutch line, garter cables, got some grips, shifter levers. We're about to have that bike over there looking right. Stay tuned, man. I'm about to throw these parts on, get them powder coated, make it look nice. Got this right here juiced up. About to go ahead and ride this joint up, man. Neutral, give it a start. About to go ahead and take this bike to the car wash, go clean it, take it to the shop, go ahead and get the other Road King ready, bring that one to the crib, go this thing all the way up on that joint. About to go ahead and strap him down, get it locked up and secured. We sliding though. Sliding. Ace. We sliding. Got the bike on the back, we just rinsed it off. I was gonna go to the car wash, but I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it right here since I got it right here in my hand. So now we're about to go ahead and go to the shop. We're about to go ahead and work on that other Road King. We're about to put the wheel on there, get that thing rolling so we can get that first test ride in today. Loading it on the truck, taking it home, dropping this one off. Then we about to make it happen today. So stay tuned, y'all. We sliding, about to get this money and get this work in, man. So we back in the shop, man. Got these joints in here. About to go ahead and offload that joint. Get it up in here and get to work. So we finally got this joint offloaded. Back in here, spiderless, hopefully, man. Last time I had it in the shop, nigga, this bike had spider. That's how I really rearranged the whole shop. This jet ski and this bike was in all the way in the back and everything was spider webbed up. So I had to really rearrange everything, but we're keeping this by the front door. Paint piece is coming all the way off. Everything's in the paint, so I'm stripping this down, getting majority of the metal blacked out chrome. The majority of the chrome blacked out, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. We got these wheels here. This is the same set of wheels off my boy 26-inch bike with the Road Glide. These are some nice wheels, so we're gonna get them joints blacked out, throw them on there, bring this Road King to life, get some bars on this joint. We got some pullbacks. It's gonna come together real fast, man, so stay tuned, y'all. We're about to get this joint up and rolling in a little bit of no time. Got all the little parts and everything, but today we are on this joint right here. We're gonna try to get the first ride on here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the metal brackets in the back. Depending on how I'm feeling, I might just raise this joint up a little bit. You know, like, it's too low for me right now. I wanna lift it up, so we're gonna just put a little bit of height on the back real fast, man. Yeah, you see it? Got that joint all the way up. So yeah, man. That's how we sliding today, with the ass up high. But we about to do that. Swap these floorboards out, get this front wheel on this joint, get the headlights situated, and then we're gonna tighten up the bars and try to get a test ride in, hopefully, man. So once we get that test ride in, we're gonna be good to go, y'all. Y'all already know, so. Go ahead and try to get off this floorboard. That bottom load is fucking stripped, so I'm gonna leave that till I get to my house, cut that bracket and put the extra one. Got the headlight off. All this was over here smacked up. So now we're gonna put on the replacement I have for now. Like I said, all these parts I'm putting on right now is just to have a safe test ride to make sure the transmission, everything is working and we got full horsepower. So as soon as we get this done, then we're gonna bust it back down and get it the way we really want it. But right now, I just wanna make sure the motor and transmission and everything is nice and tight, so we'll be good to go and we could just go from there. So stay tuned, y'all. We're about to get this thing going today. So I wanted to really go ahead and get this bike on the road. I could really go for a test ride, but it's just like, these bikes are crashed from the auction, and it's like you just wanna be as safe as possible and make sure everything is there, so if anything does happen, you'll always be good no matter what. And it's like with that, it's just a few little things that I have to get replaced that I don't trust to go on the test ride right now. So I'm going to just wait until Monday, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to gather a majority of the parts that I need, that I have on the way already. It's just like certain things. The one that I have is not the one. It's like off a Softail or something. It's different, but it damn near look the same. So I'm going to leave that off. And also, I cannot find the top piece. I think I threw it in the trash already because it was snapped. I can't even find the grip. I don't know where the fuck the grip went. This is another older grip, but it's just like that. And then these bars are like slanted right here. So it's like, I really don't want to play with my life. And then these bars are hella loose. Like, I was going to tighten it, but it's the fact it has this riser kit. I wanted to get the original kit, like on this one right here, where it's flat. But like I said, it's no rush, but it is a rush at the same time. So I need to make progress on this joint. But like I said, we got it started. It's running perfectly fine. Cut this thing on. The switch is perfect. So now we know it's working, it's running. We just gotta make it happen, but we got it going though, man. Y'all hear it sounding good? Sounding real good. About to have this thing on the road real soon, man. Yeah, stay tuned, man. We about to slide. Happy I got that at least solved. So we got everything coming new. I'm putting some new bars on this joint with new grips, mirrors, the console, new gas tank on the way, backrest on the way, bags, new fender, tail light. Everything is getting swapped out. It's gonna look like a whole complete different bike, but I really just wanted to go on a test ride today, but it's all good. We got the future, and with that, it'll look a lot much better at the same time than me just going out with a crashed parts on the bike. So no problem, man. Just give me like a day or two. We're gonna have this thing on the road, promise you guys. So stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna get this thing going, but we're about to go ahead and slide. Ace ready to leave daddy's shop, so we about to make it happen, man. But yeah, we're sliding. So I had basically
at the light,
just
turn
left
left onto Southwestern Avenue. I
had just left my crib, and my boy had just texted me. He had just sent me this link to this guy who sell the chain kit. So I'm about to go pick this chain kit up right now and hopefully have this bike on the road today, man. This wasn't even expected. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So we about to go do that, then go back to the crib. I'm gonna go to the shop, grab my tools, go to Harley, grab some parts, and go to the crib. And we about to be chained up today, man. So shit, let's get it, man. Let's stay tuned. So we went ahead and got our chain kit, man. Got that thing all back there, the sprocket, the chain, the cush drive, and the transmission sprocket. We got everything for kind of a deal, crazy price, but I'm not tripping. That's my satisfaction. So we are trying to get my bike done, up and rolling, so we can slide and get some things done. So stay tuned and let's get it rolling. So we back at the house. We're about to get cracking on the bike. We got our sprocket. We got our cush drive with our baby sprocket for the transmission. Then we got our chain. So you already know this just changed it to a whole chain conversion video, y'all. So y'all know what's going on, man. We about to get going and hopefully get this Road King back out. You already know I've barely been sliding for about 10 minutes on my ride. So let's hopefully we could get somewhere today, make it to a beach, a view or something, man. I'll be happy to see it tomorrow, but let's get it going, y'all. Took this thing on a quick ride. I'm gonna run good. Still gotta redo this joint. It's gonna run pretty good though. So we're about to get this joint right, man. This shit looks so good. This thing is looking amazing. But yeah, we about to bust this primary side down right here. Take all this off, everything in the back, and go chain. So let's see how that come out today. So I'm back out here at the house. Still ain't even touched my bike. Y'all been running around. Have to do a couple of shoes. I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse real fast. These are some Dolce & Gabbanas. But look, these are some huge shoes. I just cleaned these joints up. I think it's nice. These are some Dior's right here. This thing is nice and clean. These had a big chunk of mud on the side. Got them joints A1. I just cleaned the 14s right here. Thing is fresh white. I actually have the other dirty one right here. Still gotta clean this joint. This thing is filthy, but I see what's going on, man. That's why it's Builtbydre, baby. I clean them, restore them, customize them, whatever you need. If I can do it, I'm gonna try my best to knock it out for you. Simple as that. So first thing first, we taking the belt off, going chain. Get the back wheel off. Got this off. This cush drive is no longer for the belt. So this is what we had before, the belt drive. Now we got the chain with the sprocket. Goes right on the cush. So we in the game. Bolt this joint up. Throw it on there. We still got to disassemble the whole primary, inner primary, take off the swing arm. So stay tuned for that. We're working. So this is the outcome after you take that one off with the cushion inside. Right here. Just put that on there. Compress it. That's pretty much it. Then you just throw it on the ride. We gotta disassemble everything, so we're about to do this real quick. I just wanted to get this out the way. I think it's looking good. So we slide it, get this working. So now that we got the wheel off, we got the small primary cover off. I'm gonna go ahead and bleed it from down below, right there. I'm gonna drain the primary fluid out, put it in a tray, take the cover off, start unbolting the inner primary, release the swing arm, the shock is gonna drop it. Then we got the wheel ready, so let's go ahead and get the swapping this out and see if we can get a ride in tonight. I'm pretty sure a couple people can grab one of these out of their kitchens. I'm gonna put this up under there. Try to save some good fluid. If not, we're gonna I got some fresh fluid, but I'm gonna just drain it there so it won't be messy. And about to drain it. So we got the fluid coming out of that joint. For sure, putting some new fluid. This thing's dirty. We got the primary fully off. Put all the bolts on there. These ones are longer. I'm gonna pop these 3 off. About this, yank this off. Screw this off. Yank that off. The whole inner primary. Take the starter bolt on this side. And we're gonna get it together. Stay tuned. Luckily, man, I be working on stuff. Got a little bit of experience, and my dad be doing it too, so I get to have a bit of this joint off and complete. Not complete, but we got the bolts drilled out right here. This long stud up out of there. And you gotta pop this one off reverse right there. Got an air compressor in my house with the impact. And we got our little small drills, but yeah, we getting it in, man. Really hands-on over here doing our own work. You see it? So we got all 5 bolts off of the inner primary, and then also the 2 starter bolts right here. Got these joints out. Put this to the side along with everything else. Go ahead and pull this joint off. Got the inner primary off. So now we're going to change this right here. So we got the inner primary off. We took the bolts off of this. Now we have to get this nut off. So a lot of people was telling me they usually like cut one side and cut the other and snap it up, slide it off, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get the socket or even get like a chisel or something and try to hammer this thing. But I got enough I could do for tonight. I can't really do too much else. So it's a wrap for today. Got everything off to the side. We got our sprocket on the wheel. Got our transmission sprocket. These 2 bolts right there. We replaced with that. Then we're gonna put the new chain on. So we sliding. This is the chain we're gonna throw on this joint. So we'll go ahead. Wait till tomorrow, but we got some work done for today, man. Stay tuned.